What's up, Nintendo gamers? The kid here. Um, I am addressing the rumor of a 3DS firmware update to introduce Nintendo Network DLC and more. Now, I think a lot of us, or maybe just me, thought that this update came a while ago when we got the 3DS camera work and stuff, but maybe not. I guess this will be it. Since Kid Icarus Uprising now is enabled with Nintendo Network, I did expect a update when I actually put in the game, but seems like that didn't happen. So maybe Nintendo Network hasn't officially launched, maybe not. And also, it said that Kid Icarus Uprising will be able to receive patches. No word on how those patches will work, but maybe we will get those patches once this update, well, this rumored update, comes out sometime. So what the update is supposed to do is listed here, and I will go through it for you guys. It says the first one is the ability to access Nintendo eShop account from other internet-enabled devices, including computers and smartphones. The next one is this system update will allow users to take pictures of QR codes with the 3DS from the other devices' screens to redeem purchase content. Next, there's a few more, and I'm going to go through them. This update will add the application Nintendo Network to the 3DS. Ability to update physical Nintendo 3DS games via eShop DLC feature. So when it says ability to update physical 3DS games via Nintendo Shop, well, eShop, that means, physically, as in the cartridge, and being DLC and stuff, being able to add on content to your game. So that's what it means. The next one is a game preview mode for the Nintendo 3DS system on the Nintendo Shop. It says enhance the speed of the handheld, increase the system security with automatic security updates. That will help for people who want to or even attempt to try to hack the 3DS. That will actually really help. Nintendo Zone will be automatically added to European 3DS owners. So I guess European 3DS owners didn't have it. I didn't know that. So about enhanced speed of the handheld, that is good. Hopefully that works with the actual browser on the 3DS, because the browser, it's pretty fast, but it would be cool to be faster and actually have some type of flash system. It doesn't have to be flash. I mean, other smartphones have something else. I forget what it's called, but maybe something else. I'm gonna actually put what I think the 3DS needs, as of now or later, for the system to be actually be the best it can be. And the first one I would say is a YouTube application. That is the first thing I would say needs to be on a 3DS. We got Netflix, we got Hulu coming to the 3DS. So there's no way in the world that Nintendo should not be able to put a YouTube application on the 3DS. That would be awesome, especially for people who want to do videos or anything on their 3DS and be able to direct upload them via the application with YouTube, from the 3DS camera, or 3DS screen. What am I saying? 3D videos with the 3D camera. But that will take YouTube to do. But for that, maybe only 3DS owners can watch them. If you have a 3D smartphone, if you're on YouTube, you can have that video. What I'm trying to say is, you have a 3D camera on a 3DS, right? Now, you'll be able to upload that with the application, directly upload it from your 3DS, but on the computer, like say you're watching YouTube on the computer and you watch the video, it won't be in 3D. It won't be enabled. But say you have a 3D TV or a 3D computer screen or a 3D S again, you will be able to watch it actually in 3D with those devices since it's already in 3D enabled. So that will be a cool feature for YouTube if Nintendo was able to work with YouTube with that. But it doesn't have to have all of that. I would just like a YouTube application since, I am frequently on YouTube and stuff. It will help a lot because as of now, we cannot even watch videos. Also, some type of way you can have a faster browser. That's what the 3DS needs. Maybe even another messaging system. SwapNote is good. It's fun and stuff, but that's what it is. It's just fun. You can't really take it seriously as a message system. So Nintendo needs something where we can message each other instantly while we're actually playing a game. And games need to be incorporated with this, and it needs to be instant messaging, not message a few minutes later or whatever. SwapNote is relatively slow, getting pretty slow with receiving messages. You can receive them up to a couple of minutes to a couple of hours later of when they were actually created. So it doesn't really work good, especially if you're trying to get a matchup with people like with Kid Icarus Uprising or any other game, trying to match up or set up a game with your friends and stuff. It doesn't really work. So hopefully Nintendo will have a different messaging system for people who are more serious about playing together. I don't want it actually to be a application. I would want it to be something where, like on the browser, on the tabs on a 3DS touchscreen, where you can go while you're actually on the game. So that way you don't have to get off the game and then talk. You can just talk instantly while you're in a lobby of a game. That way it just makes things easier, especially if you're online and stuff. Make it yourself able to be online and use it to online the game and use it while you're in the lobby. That will be a nice feature for the 3DS. Other than that, I don't know much else. I just say update the browser, have a YouTube application, and a different messaging system for those who actually want to set up games and talk to each other, instead of SwapNote, which I just cannot read certain people's handwriting. That's the problem with it. Sometimes you can't read other people's handwriting, especially if it's already bad on pen and paper. It's really going to be bad on stylus and touchscreen. So, but other than that, the 3DS rumor, I hope it's actually true so that we can have a faster 3DS. That's one of the abilities. It will be enabling a faster speed. That means maybe faster stream with the internet, playing the internet, less lag, and maybe faster browser and faster messaging. Nintendo notifications are relatively just random when you get them. They're sent out, but when you get them is completely up to whatever the system speed is. So those are my thoughts on what should be on the 3DS and my thoughts on the rumor. So tell me what you guys think in the comments below. Comment, like, subscribe, and don't forget to join my official Facebook fan page. I will also have a link to that in the description. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be listening for your thoughts.